就大家，我早排啦，早幾分鐘之前咧講俾大家聽，我會介紹一位人，佢會講俾你聽我哋 Brooklyn 南面，尤其是我哋成個紐約市嘅華人嘅社會，點樣可以仲強壯、仲團結。我而家介紹士李華先生。Curtis Steele, ladies and gentlemen.
Curtis.
It's great to join all of you again. I will be the next mayor of the city of New York with your help.
Yes.
And you are the fastest growing minority community in the city, all 5 boroughs. Chinese Americans, it's your time to shine. And when I become the mayor of New York City, I'm going to appoint the first ever deputy mayor Chinese American.
大家聽到施李華先生話，佢做咗市長之後，佢會請我哋紐約市歷史嚟第一個中國人嘅副市長。
That's going to be Steve Chandler.
Steve.
It's time to honor Chinese American tradition, pursuit of education, the fact that you're buying homes and you're making this city great. I will never forget that as I stood with you against the shelters. No more shelters. No more shelters. No more shelters. That I promise all of you when I become the next mayor of New York City.
Thank you,
施李華話：佢知道係因為我哋華人嘅社會整到我哋呢個地區咁強壯啦，個經濟咁好啦，所以佢一定會保護我哋，唔會周圍放嗰啲人民鎖喺我哋嘅地區嗰度，唔會擠嗰啲電池嘅站喺我哋屋企隔離。但係咧，施李華先生一定要我哋團結。一定要我哋出嚟投票，我哋夠票㗎，但係我要你出嚟投票。多謝晒大家。
Thank you.
Thank you.